It's now time for our Bite of the Week. It comes from a guest at the Royal Sun Hotel in Negril. He joined the line of solidarity after disgruntled workers protested over the alleged poor treatment and low wages earlier this week. Here's our Bite of the Week.
I came out here to show solidarity. I don't know what's going on, but if they're stepping out, this is Jamaica, and people work hard to have a living here. It's not a joke. So if they're stepping out, something's going on. If I am a union member, a proud union member for over 40 years, it's nice to see the workers unite. It's difficult. They have families to feed. This is not a joke. If they're going to go out, they're obviously been mistreated, because that's not a choice that you make lightly. It's a last resort. Do you hear them cheer? That's from the heart. It's relief.